let's make some rice cooker recipes. Did you guys know you can cook more than just rice in here? Dog salad, everybody. It's spicy.
Wow.
Okay. You guys loved the last recipes I tried, so today I've got some new ones. Hi! If you want to save time, why not cook your chicken and rice together?
This was made entirely in a rice cooker. I'm starting by seasoning the chicken. I'm using skin-on chicken thighs. These are going to be a lot more juicy than any other cut of chicken, so I definitely recommend this. I'll list all the ingredients here on the screen. Wash your rice until the water runs clear, and then instead of water, you want to use chicken broth to cook this. This will give it so much more flavor, and it really makes a big difference, so do not skip this. Place the chicken right on top and don't waste any of that sauce. Then I'm going to run this on the normal rice cooking cycle. I'm using a pressure rice cooker here, so it is a little fancier than your normal rice cooker, but I have tested this using a normal cheap rice cooker and it works just as well. It should be done after the first cycle, but rice cookers vary, so you might have to adjust this. Flip up the rice and slice the chicken, and then to plate, I'm adding some broccolini, and I also made a ginger sauce for dipping.
Welcome back to my kitchen. I'm feeling all dressed up for today's episode. Lila called Zen an angel today. She's the angel of the kitchen.
Lala's risen me up real good.
She's your hype girl.
Yeah, she's my hype girl.
First thing we're gonna do is marinate the chicken. Oh, the smell of raw chicken. This recipe calls for 2 pieces of skin-on chicken thigh. I'm cooking for the whole family, so I've added some extra chicken. I found the measurements on her website. In goes 3 grams of julienne ginger, minced garlic,
Oh, yes.
3 tablespoons of oyster sauce. According to Alfred's dad, this one is the best. They have a couple of different ones, but this one is the most exy one, but also the most flavorful. Next is 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. On her website it says low sodium soy sauce. Is mine low sodium? No. It's light soy sauce and 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce. Lastly, I'm gonna add black pepper to taste, though I'm not gonna taste this yet. Give that a mix. This is more than enough marinade for my chicken. It smells good. I'm gonna pop this aside, let it marinate for like 15-20 minutes, and then I'm gonna wash my rice. Where's my rice? We're down to 2 cups of rice because we've got a lot of recipes today. My rice is washed. Now I'm going to use chicken stock instead of water, and I'm just gonna add in the normal amount that you would use for the amount of rice you're cooking. Oh, she going in, she going in. Lay it on top of the rice. Up, and then you don't want to waste the sauce. This sauce goes on top because it's gonna have extra flavor. Then we're just gonna cook this on the normal rice cooking cycle. Does that make sense?
On how long rice how long rice needs to be cooked.
Then we're just gonna pop it in the rice cooker and just cook it on your normal rice cooking mode. Yeah, we're very technical on this channel. The rice cooker's done. Let's check on it. Oh, it smells really good.
Ooh, it actually looks really good.
Oh, it smells so good.
Yeah, the aroma.
That aroma. Oh my god, it's breaking apart already. Wow, it's fragile. Gonna give that a good mix. Wow, there is so much flavor.
Wow.
This is probably the hardest part of the whole cooking process. Plating it up and making it look nice.
We're not very aesthetic cooks.
I would just slap this on my plate and be like, yes.
We'll just eat from this.
Yeah, I would just eat from the rice cooker. Yes, we are barbaric. Just like pop it on and then like, did it work? Yes. Oh my gosh, it is so tender. It's so easy to cut into. Wow.
I was kind of doubting when you're gonna use scissors. Kind of slaying it.
I'm kind of slaying this right now. I mean, if I could cook this, anyone can cook this. Oh, that's good. Oh, that looks so good. Okay.
Wow, look at that plating.
Wow. Now, she did have a side of broccolini. Do we have broccolini in the fridge? No. But we've got cucumbers. Fan the cucumbers out.
Do a little curve. Like
Yeah,
a,
just
okay. A
wrap
little
around.
arc. Oh, yes.
Look at that. And then for the sauce, she made like a ginger oil. I just Googled one and they added a little bit of shallots or spring onions to it and salt. Oh yeah, and ginger. Yeah, should mention this ginger. Ready for the hot oil sizzle?
Oh my god.
Ooh.
Okay, that's Caesar. Okay, I see you.
And just because we're just so pro at this, I'm going to put a little bit of like garnish on top of the rice.
Wow. Who are we?
It's kind of giving me like Chinese chicken rice.
Yeah.
Right. Wow. 10 out of 10 for presentation if I had to just rate this myself. Can you guys smell that? Oh. Wait, everyone get a little bit of everything.
I'm gonna put it on the cucumber.
Oh wow, that is creative. Why are you eating it like it's a canapé, guys? Like,
I got influenced by ZENN.
Oh, look at that.
that's a perfect.
I don't know if you guys can see.
Okay, cheers.
So good.
I totally forgot to dip the sauce.
Don't need but
Actually, doesn't even need it.
Wow.
The chicken is like melt in your mouth chicken, guys. Like what? The chicken juice, it's like glistening.
You have to eat as a time
With-
break.
with-
It's really,
yeah.
Should I use a bit of that sauce? Give me a bit of that sauce then. Everything has like, it has enough flavor. The rice has absorbed all that flavor, and because we cook in chicken stock, it's just got that umami-ness, you know? It's got all the flavors. The chicken, I'm just so surprised that it's so tender.
Yeah, is it because it's cooked in the rice cooker? Like all the steam is inside, right? Like all
Yeah,
condensation.
everything, all that flavor is
moisture.
like encapsulated into that chicken. We already know. Like, do you even have to guess what we're gonna rate this? Double thumbs up. I kind of wish I cooked more now. I never knew you could cook tteokbokki in a rice cooker.
Welcome back to my rice cooker series. As a college student, I found it easier to use dashi powder instead of making dashi stock from scratch. Of course, it's not going to taste as good, but it does save you some time and makes life easier. By now, I'm sure you can tell I'm a home cook that likes to eyeball things, but to guesstimate, I used about 1.5 cups of stock. The paste is about 2 tablespoons gochujang and 1/2 tablespoon each of gochugaru, sugar, soy sauce, and sesame oil. As it cooks, feel free to adjust things to taste.
Let's make the sauce for our tteok. I'm gonna use 2 tablespoons of gochujang, which is like that red pepper paste. Just gotta-
Guess you're going for it.
I'm going for it.
Oh my god, that was such a bad idea.
In my mind, I was like, I can handle it. I can handle it. Then we're gonna add more chili. We're gonna use gochugaru flakes, 1/2 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1/2 tablespoon of sesame oil. Hold this, hold this. Homa spoon, 1/2 tablespoon of sugar. Oh, this looks spicy. I actually don't remember the last time I ate tteok.
When we were in Korea.
I think we were in Korea. We had the one with ramen.
Raboki.
Raboki. It still should look like a paste like this. Walk me through this then. Walk me
Okay,
through.
first we pour in the dashi stock.
Dashi stock, 2 cups, chopped onions,
Oh my god.
lots of leek, about 250 grams of tteok. Pop our lovely red paste in.
Give it a little mix a roux.
Mixing my potion of tteokbokki.
A tteok salad.
Tteok salad, everybody.
Yeah! You're stressing me out here.
I guess we don't want to see like lumps of sauce everywhere, so mix it well. Question is, how long do we cook this for?
That was my next question.
We
to
have
that.
so many questions. Someone answer us. Even if you answer it now, it'll be too late because we would have cooked it by then.
I think it depends on how chewy you want your tteok to be too.
Okay.
But we're all about that chew.
We're all about that chew. We don't like the mush. We're gonna cook it and then we're gonna add the rice cakes, not the rice, the fish cakes in. So we can check on the status then.
So how long are we gonna put it in first?
Let's ask the rice cooker.
Okay.
White rice, probably. Baby food. What?
Bro.
Let's just do white rice.
10 minutes and
Okay,
then
we
we
just
check
check
it.
on it. Okay. This is what happens when you have a fancy rice cooker. If you just have a normal rice cooker, just press cook. Let's hope that it's okay. Oh, it's still so hard. It's like rock solid. So we're just gonna cook it for this full rice cycle. Oh, okay. It's definitely cooked. Now we're just gonna add in the fish cake. Cook it for another like 5 minutes and then we're good. We have a visitor. Hi, Lila. She woke up from her nap and she's eating the chicken rice. Do you like it? Is it yummy? Yeah? Oh, kiss to everybody. Don't forget to thumb this video. Okay. That's probably the cutest thumb call out ever. This looks so good, guys. Like the sauce has thickened up. Let me give it a quick garnish. You don't want spicy. You have this one. You have the blueberries.
We're using these.
Put some personal protection.
I'm gonna hold it with my armpits. Oh wow, it looks like I have a new tube dress.
Fashion. Grab a tteok. I just pierced into it and I feel like it could be chewy.
I'm just doing everything.
You're just doing everything?
Doing one big bite. Is it hot? Is it hot?
No.
No. There's some chew.
It could be cooked a bit longer to be honest.
I like my stock like this.
I like it.
I just like soft and squishy.
That's where you and I are different now. Going in for the fish cake.
Yeah. It's spicy.
The taste is there, guys. Oh my gosh. The kick is there too.
It tastes like tteokbokki that you would get from the streets in Korea.
It's because the sauce is so dense. The street food ones are always very dense.
Yeah, I feel like every time I've made tteokbokki like on the stove, the sauce has never thickened up like this. Okay, you can take this. It's spicy.
I'm amazed that you can cook this in a rice cooker.
I feel like it's a lot easier to cook in the rice cooker. You just set and forget. Alf, are you even a tteok fan?
Not really, but I can appreciate that.
What would you rate it? Oh, 2-star. 2 thumbs.
2 thumbs for me too.
2 thumbs.
Giving me like Korea flashbacks.
Yeah, if you love Korean food,
Nice.
am I the only one that's never eaten dumplings with rice?
These rice cooker dumplings are the best when you've had a long day and don't have the time or energy to cook. This recipe is really simple. All you need is rice, soy sauce, sesame oil, spring onion, and frozen dumplings. Just toss these in your rice cooker and switch it on. It's honestly that easy and tasted so good.
I don't know how to feel about this recipe. Like, I've eaten dumplings with noodles, but never dumplings with rice. Though I think both taste good on its own, so together it should be good, right? Oh, dumplings, yeah. You can help mommy make the sauce. Wow. So I've already washed my rice. You can trust me. I'm Asian. I wash my rice. Garlic.
Yep. Well,
Nice work. That was a good one. By the way, I am only using 1 cup of rice, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon sesame oil,
salt and pepper. Yes.
pepper. You shake some pepper in.
Oh.
Nice. One more. Do one more. Nice. Maybe just another one, just for luck. Thank you.
Yeah. Bless you.
Salt.
Yeah,
Like a little bit. Oh, that is okay. There, yeah. Put that in.
Thank you.
Green onions. Here, this one, Lana. Wow,
thank
you are
you.
so good at pouring. So I'm really impressed.
No.
No, you didn't mix it.
No.
I'm mixing it. You know what? This would be good with chicken stock instead of water, just for extra flavor, you know. Help us decide. We've got 2 types of dumplings. One is healthy mandu. One is spicy jampong, the opposite of healthy. Which one do you like, Layla? Which one? Healthy. Okay, okay. You put the.
I thought she was going to sneeze too.
Okay. You put it in.
Oh, bless you.
Bless you.
Wow.
Oh.
Okay. Is that too much?
Guess until it covers.
This one's covering.
Okay, he basically put this whole bag in. Go, Layla. It's your birthday. You're gonna party like it's your birthday.
Is that the whole bag?
It's basically the whole bag. We don't care. It's healthy. Score. Now we just cook it like we cook white rice. Ooh, it's done. It looks like the video, so we're on track.
It doesn't look great, guys. It just looked like a pile of mush, guys.
Don't diss it because the comments looked decent on that video, hence why we're trying.
I shall not be a hater.
Can't be a hater until we try it. Okay, here's our amazing dish.
Just tastes like a healthy dumpling.
What about the rice? Try the rice.
I'm sorry, but it's giving bland to me.
The rice has a little bit of flavor. What really makes this dish is what type of frozen dumplings you use. And in my opinion, you need like a dipping sauce or a sauce to drizzle on top, which I prepared earlier. Laugan ma, soy sauce, and a little bit of vinegar.
Hope it tastes better. I mean,
it has to taste better, right? It has to taste better.
So unappealing.
I know. That was my whole thought process watching this TikTok. Tina sent it to me and I was like, oh, we're making that?
We're making it because I wanted to know. I needed to know, was I missing out on something or is this a troll recipe?
Better.
Way better.
Instantly great.
You can use this recipe, you just need to do like a sauce on it.
This recipe does work, okay? I feel like if you put a sauce on top, I feel like if you put a sauce on top, it will save this dish. I can't even, let's just leave that in. I've tried that so many times. The mandu actually doesn't taste bad.
Yeah.
It's just getting over the fact that we're eating it with rice. I feel like that's the weird bit.
Yeah.
I think it's kind of all just growing on us, or we're kind of getting used to it. But let me just say, presentation is a little bit questionable.
Please don't serve this at a housewarming or a party. People are gonna be like,
What?
Judged.
what that, yo?
You will be judged.
By me, I will be a judgmental person.
Let's rate it, okay? 1, 2, 3. Okay, one, and then like
Taste is there.
the taste is there.
I
with
feel
the
like,
sauce.
yeah, with the sauce. Because if we're basing it off the TikTok, then I feel like it's
Okay, yeah,
not
yeah.
that great. I feel
That's
like
true.
it can
That
be
is true.
improved.
With the added sauce, it's a 1 thumb. No sauce, it's on the fence. It's edible.
Yeah.
It's okay. I think if you were starving after work, after school, go ahead, throw it in the rice cooker.
The technique is there though. Like the easiness and simplicity of the recipe is there.
Agree. Just need some extra sauce.
Just trying to be nice. I don't want haters. Please.
You're so rude.
Guys,
I'm a nice person.
don't hate on this hater, okay? Well, we've come to the end of this recipe, but we've got plenty more TikTok recipes that we've tried. Just click the playlist on screen and don't forget to subscribe, like and subscribe. We'll speak to you guys next time. Bye.
We should get a sponsor for a rice cooker.
Yeah, the rice cooker. What is that? What is this brand? Cuckoo. Please
People, if you're
sponsor us.
watching, please sponsor.